Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn how to analyze and design a steel multi-story building using STAAD Pro. So let's begin. And first open STAAD Pro. Now we are going to drawing the building using structure wizard. Okay. So click on space, give a name multi steel, then length unit meter, force unit kilometer, then click on next, then select add beam, then finish. Now switch off the grid, go to geometry, run structure wizard, select model type frame model and select the bay frame, double click on bay frame. Now length unit 16, so the each length is 4 meter and height is 17 meter, so each length will be 3 give it to 6 to 18, so each length is 3 meter. Height is 20 meter, or you can give 25. Along bay length 5, so each length is 5 meter. Okay, now hit apply. Now these are building. Okay, now transfer to STAAD. For that select here and hit OK and OK. Now these are building. Now I have to give the support for the column. For that go to support page, click on create, add the fixed support. Now add the support, go to front view and select all the supports. Now select assign to selected nodes and assign yes. Now our columns has been fixed. Now go to property page, for give the property for steel structure, go to section database. Okay, now select Indian. I am going to give I shape for the building. I am going to select this section. Okay, or you can choose this section. Okay, you can choose any section here in here. Okay, now this material is steel and add the section, close it. Now it goes to the whole structure. For that go to assign to view, yes. Now this is our building. Okay, so now close it. Now I have to give the load. For that go to load page, go to load case detail, click on add, loading type dead, give title dead, add, then live, give title live, add, close. Now select the date, add it, add the self load, add the member load, give the load minus 10 kilonewton, change to 12. Now add it. Now add the select the full flow load to 6 minus 6. Now define the wide range. Minimum is here, that is 3, and maximum is here, that is 18. Minimum 3, maximum 18. Okay, now hit add, close. Now select the self weight, it goes to the whole structure. For that go to assign to view and member load goes to the members. Now go to select, select the members. For go to select beam parallels to X and Z. Now all the beams are selected. Now go to assign to selected beams and assign yes. Now our members load are added. Now go to live load. In the live load it only goes to the floor load, so -2. Now again minimum is 3, maximum is 18. Add those. This is the live load. Now we have to create combination load. For that go to load class detail, add. Now you can go to define combination load for manually, or go to auto combination load. STAAD with automatic combination load. I am going to give auto combination load. Now select Indian code. Okay, general structure or street passes. I'm going to give general structure. Now generate loads. This is the loads. Add it, close it. Now this is the loads. Okay, now to analyze it. For that go to command, analyze, perform analyze, no print, okay, analyze, run analyze, save. Take some seconds. So this is good news, there is no error, no warning. So our model is perfect. Okay, then click on done. Now for design the structure we have to go steel design. Now we have to create an envelope first. For that go to new envelope. Now select the combination loads, then hit OK. Now go to member design, select member setup. Now I have to form the members. Now for that go to select beam parallel to X and again select beam parallels to Z. Now all the beams are selected. Now go to member design, physical members, and go to autoform members and select autoform members, and see all the members have been created. This is the members. All the members are created here. Okay. Now we have to give again we have to form the columns. For that go to front view and select the column. Press Ctrl for multiple selection. Take your time to select the columns. Now all columns are selected. Now go to member design, physical members, autoform members. Now our columns are also created. Okay. Now I have to go to briefs and groups. Select briefs and groups. Now I have to create first brief, then design group. Okay. Now select new brief, select design code. I'm going to select IS 800 and yield strength of steel is 250,000. Okay. Now go to new design group, add a group, select 3 member in the upper from the up and pass it here and hit OK. Now go to result and reports, then go to member design, perform group design and check code. Now group design complete successfully, and you can see this member which I have selected is pass. Okay. Now go to member design, perform member design, perform group design and member selection. Okay. Now see these member are not changed because it is the lowest member to pass the loads. Okay. Now we have to design the rest of the member. For that go to briefs and groups, go to new design group, add group, add some members, select the member. Okay, now go to result and reports, go to member design, perform group design, check code. Again go to member design, perform group design, and member selection, single step. And these groups are also created, and this section is pass. Again go to briefs and groups, again select new design group, add a group, select members, select some members, or select all the members, rest the members, select it, then hit OK. Now go to result and reports, select member design, go to perform group design, check code, go to member design, again go to perform group design and member selection, single step design. Now group design successfully completed, and these members are also passed. See, all the members are passed. You can have the calculation, load calculation for any member. Select any member and go to member design, go to view design calculation to see the calculation. This is the calculation of the following member. This is the 6 long member as per IS 800. Okay, double click on the member to view the steel design detailed result. This is the result. This is the deflection, shear, bending property which I have selected. Now close it, go to post processing, select the loads, and you can have the reaction for all columns. Okay, you can have the axial force and shear in y direction, shear in z direction, moment is a torsion, moment in bending in y, bending in z, beam stress. You can have the value from here for different load, stress is different. Okay, you can have the animation, so there and deflection apply. Okay, okay, so our design is completed. Design is complete. So that's how you're gonna design a multi-story steel design, multi-story building. Material is steel. So if you have any problem, comment on my video. Okay, so that's it, and don't forget to subscribe and share. So thank you.